Hello class, this is a continuation of that previous video of enlarging shapes. In the previous video we saw the point O, where we're going to enlarge it from, off to the side somewhere. Right, in this example I'm going to show you what happens if it's on the inside of the shape. Okay, here we go. So it actually really doesn't change much. If we're going to use that point O, okay, we just count the distances the points are from point O and multiply those distances by our factor. So take a look. Point O to C is 1, 2, 3 spaces. If we're going to enlarge it by 2, 3 spaces becomes 6 spaces. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is point C, or C dash. Let's do point A. If you look at point A, it is 1 across, 1 down. Well, if we're going to multiply 1 across, 1 down by 2, it'll be 2 across and 2 down. So 1 across, 1 down times 2 is 2 across, 2 down, which is A dash. Point B, same thing. It is 2 across, 1 down. I'll repeat that again. 2 across, 1 down. Multiplying it by 2 would become 4 across. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And 1 down becomes 2 down. 1, 2. So this point is now point B dash. Let's just connect these points here to finish off our shape. There we go. And this new shape that we've made, is bigger than the first shape by a factor of 2. It is twice its size. Okay, move right along. Now, this last example, point O is it's made of the shape. And I've deliberately picked a strange number because what happens if it's 1.5? Okay, so what that means, we're still going to look at the distances from the point that we are going to use, so point O as the point of enlargement, but how much we multiply it is by 1.5. So take a look. You can use a calculator for this if you'd like. If it will help you out, I'll have one ready on hand here. Okay, let's take a look. So let's look at the distance from O to, let's start with A. Okay, from O to A, it is 2 across, 1, 2, and then how many spaces up? 1, 2, 3, 4 spaces up. Okay, so if it's 2 across, we're going to multiply that by 1.5. So 2 across becomes 2 times 1.5. That is 3 across. I'm going to put a little dot here just to remind myself. And then 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 up. 4 up times 1.5 becomes 6 up. So 2 across, 4 up times 1.5 becomes 3 across and 6 up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is now point A dash. Let's take a look at C. Point C is 2 across, 2 up, times 1.5, so 2 times 1.5 is 3 across, and if it's 2 up times 1.5, it would be 3 up. So 2 across, 2 up becomes 3 across and 3 up. 1, 2, and 3. This becomes C dash. One last point here. Point B. Let's count it. It's also 2 across. But if we count up, it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up. So So that 6 up should be 6 times 1.5. It should be 9 up. So 2 across becomes, 2 across to B becomes 3 across, and 6 up becomes 9 up. So let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. That is point B dash. Now notice how point O doesn't actually move at all. Okay? Because it's already on the shape, all we're doing is pushing the other shapes away from point O. Okay? So even if we connect it, if you take a look, like so, notice how that new shape, is over the top of the original shape. It's over the top of it. Notice that? There we are. So the original shape is inside the new shape. That new shape is 1.5 times larger than the previous shape. Hopefully that gave you an insight into using points and factors to enlarge a shape. Best of luck.